Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a Weverse account. To create a Weverse account, you can simply use the Weverse app from the App Store or Play Store, or you can simply just use the website. Here I'll use the website. To do so, click on your browser and go to your home and type in Weverse over here. Weverse, and go to your go to the official website. After that, you'll see an application. After that, you'll see a lot of options over here. You can simply just accept all, and you can click on three bars over here and click on login. And after that, you want to click on any option that you want to continue with. I'm going to continue with Google, so I'm going to click on continue with Google. And you want to choose your account, click on continue, click on sign up, and click on sign up with Google again. After that, you want to select your account again and click on, and it will ask for your logins, and it will ask for information. Simply click on simply give it the information that it's asking, and click on agree to all and click on sign up now. Click on OK, and your sign up is complete, and your Weverse account has been created. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.